It's a 2004 Lexus SC430. Handsome and richly appointed, this luxury tourer is your door to experiences savored and memories you will never forget. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, power retractable hardtop, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM stereo radio, dual zone climate control, memory steering wheel settings, and V8 engine. Cars.com finds there's no overreaction from the car's firm yet largely yielding suspension. Lexus, performance in every detail. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.